Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply for equipment financing with Lendio. If your business needs new machinery, vehicles, or tools, equipment financing can help you to spread out the cost. Here's how to apply using Lendio. First, log into your Lendio accounts and log in with your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, just click Apply for a Loan. Now from the option, select Equipment Financing, and then go ahead and enter your business details such as industry, time in operation, and annual revenue. Provide information about the equipment that you want to purchase, including its type, cost, and vendor if available. Fill in your personal ownership details and estimated credit score. Once that's done, upload necessary documents such as quotes or invoices for equipment, recent bank statements, and tax returns. Review your entries to confirm everything is accurate, and if it is, go ahead and click Submit Application. Lendio will then match you with lenders who specialize in equipment loans. If approved, the lender typically pays the vendor directly, so you can start using the equipment while repaying in installments. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.